So what we need to do now is we need to attach these. I'll get another bigger piece of tape. Through the magic of television, I have a bunch of these already done up. So you're going to attach your tape at the top, right? Get your flower, bend the wire down, and twirl around a little bit. Oops. Lovely. Fortunately, I have one already done. That's what super glue is for. I just glue that guy back on. You're not supposed to eat these, so I just super glue it. You can, however, use the gum glue and try and glue it back on. So you want to put 5 of these on. I don't seem to have 5 of these. That's okay. And then you want to put the bigger guys on. Okay. And twirl them around. So again, hold it by the edge of the flower here, press that down like so, and then put it on. And you just keep going all the way around. And then once these are all on, I steam the whole flower, okay? And this is what it looked like when it's done. See, I didn't break this one. This is why you make extras. I'm a klutz. I actually hit this one in the car and it didn't break, so I was pretty lucky. Okay, so now we're just going to put them in. Remember, anytime, you don't want to stick wires in your cake. So anytime you've got a wire, you want to put a straw in there first and then put this in, okay? Or coat it with chocolate or cover it completely. Don't stick this wire in your cake like I'm doing because I forgot my straws. Did you get the general idea? Not, and this is just going to go underneath. And the nice thing about these is that they will bend to go down. Okay, and this is one of my focal flowers. I'm going to decide if I want this on this side or on that side. Okay, so let me get my bag. So I just put a nice plop on the back. And just put a nice plop on the back. Now normally I would not put these on until I get where I'm going because those are going to fall off in transit, so you got to be really careful. And there you have your succulent fall wedding cake.